Hey guys, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 7 of the April 2024 Patreon for D&D, Warhammer Proxy, and Figure prints. If you enjoy it, if you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And also the links for these that we'll be looking at will be down below as well. So let's take a look. We are doing Abby 3D. This is Figure. So I believe is this month? Yeah, Power Girl. I would say I would like to have Power Girl more busty because that's what she usually is. But there's nudes. I don't want nudes. There should be a thing down here. We go. So the Power Girl's not it, but we got Catgirl, Rogue, Vampira, Laura Croft, Samus, Storm, Raven, and then we have Psylocke. These would be one for this month. For Pensiski's miniatures, these are like Another War tabletop. I think they're compatible with one-page miniatures. I really don't know. As well, they also, if you pay extra, you can get the Cyberpunk ones as well. Um, this is the one for the main one that they have. Let's see, this is the extras. These are your welcome pack. You get your March one as well. I'm trying to find what else that they have. So this is May editions, April post week. This is one of the dioramas. Got your crab aliens, terrain, ATV, looks like ATV, or soldiers. I think this is one for this month. Yeah, for this one is for April. Yep, April. So we got a whole bunch. I can't maximize it, sorry. But we got vehicle, soldiers, for it. You can actually use some of these processes for your Imperium if you're interested of changing some of these into your Imperium as well. And we got our Predators as well. Female, Little Predator, Dishonored, Vexen. We have the E800 from Terminator. John Winters, Marine, probably from Terminators, I believe. No, I don't know which one. This one. These are now from Cyberpunk tier as well. If you're interested in playing Cyberpunk style game, D&D game, go for it. You can probably use some of these for BattleTech and stuff. I do want to do some Cyberpunk, but if I do, I need to buy some neon paint for it. But Dragon Tapper's Lodge, another good one to have. Let's see, April. I want to look up cross pollination. We want to know what the hell do they have. Come on, give me April. This is Journey. Yep, April. Got that. I forget what those creatures are called, but welcome pack. Yeah, new welcome pack. That's good. The King of the Beast. Barbarian. We have Master Ranger. Shaman. Betty. Dire Bear. Well, I do need some dire animals. Dire turtles. I don't have any dire. It's very hard to find dire animals, but dire squirrels, that would be good to have. Dire stags. A lot of dire elf chief. I think these are elf barbarians. Elves barbarians, what I would say. Dire horse. Yeah, we finally got some dire. The moon clave. That's kind of cool looking. You got some werewolves. Werewolf riding on wolves. Does not make any fucking sense. But yeah, Moon Hunters, Moonborn, Moon Spirit, Beast variant, Death variant, Trickster variant, and your basis for it. Gamak, this is a proxy for Age of Sigmar, probably Old Worlds 2 and 40k for it. So we have, I forgot these are right, not these aren't the rhinos, I believe. But you got, a lot of proxy. We got the Necrons, some Tyranids, and we have, I think these are all Chaos Space Marines right here. How the design is. So we have Chaos Space Marines. And the fantasy one, this is actually stationed as, an old world. So we got some the Tomb Kings ones, and we got dwarves, and I believe this is part of the Bertoli armies as well. So that's actually pretty good, and they're compatible with one-page rules. Crippling God Foundry. We have Spores of Decay for basically Nurgles, I believe. This is the sci-fi ones, and looks like they're more for Nurgles. This one is for D&D, but you can probably use some of these as your Nurglings, your Nurgle ones as well. But mushrooms and stuff, mushrooms with weapons, big ass mushrooms, ugly thing, beholder mushrooms as well. And yeah, this is. Thought they'd be more like Nurglings. I guess not. I think these are just more like Chaos Space Marine, but yeah, Nurglings will be more like grotesque looking, in my opinion. Your terrain, your throwback terrain right there, that's actually pretty good to print. And your welcome pack. And your welcome pack for the sci-fi ones. Cal 3D Studio, that are figure as well. Let's see here, Morrigan is coming up. Beautiful Morrigan. Let's see here, Toothless and Hiccup. Good to have. Next one is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I think I already got that last month. They might re-release it for this month. I don't know. Try to find. Here we go. April. So you have Goku, Sylvanas, Morgan, Hiccup. Do not know which one this is. The evil queen, the guy from Darksider, Death, and do not know what this one is as well. But if you guys want to let me know, please leave down in the comments. Peach figures. So we got Morgan, looks like it, for this month. Yeah, Morgan. Let's see, that's May. Gwen Stacy. I think we got Gwen Stacy, and then Morgan. So Gwen Stacy and Morgan, I believe, will be for this month. Arcane Minis. This is like for like Spelljammer style type of thing. You have Kraken. You have, looks like axolotl folk. So you have axolotl creature. Xenotide Strider. You have a map. Fungry Rangers. Gem Seeker. It's like an owl bear covered with crystals. Human Ranger. And your Pixin class frigate. Your Hushrill Hive. Hushrill Stalkers. That's pretty kind of cool. So that'll be it for that. An STL project. This is for this month actually. So we have Phoenix, Fern. We have Kid Buu, Yoshi, and I think Pickle as well. I think those are the ones that's been out. Nation Rodi 3D Studios. I think this will be out. We're gonna have Sailor Saturn. That will be for this month for their figure. Sailor Saturn. Legion Miniatures. They do DC and Marvel. So we have Carnage, Doctor Doom, Wolverine. I don't know all their names. This is Daredevil. We'll probably find more. Superman. Dr. Fate. Don't know what that is. Well, we could find out. Or just, bigger version of it as well. Daredevil. I wish they give us names with it. But yeah, I think that's Deadshot. Or Bullseye, whatever it's called. But Carnage looks freaking awesome. Doctor Doom could have looked a lot better. He should have more armor on him, like a suit of armor. Wolverine. Superman red, Superman blue. Hawkman. Don't know what that thing is. Captain Marvel, I believe. It looks like Superman. Don't know who this one is, but this one looks familiar. Oh, this one is Sandman. He's Sandman. Oh yeah, forgot about Sandman. Yeah, Dr. Fate. There you go. Nymphia will have, what's her name? Matsumoto. Very sexy looking Matsumoto for April reward for the figure. Well, anyhow, that'll be it for today. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. And the links for these will be down below. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day. Bye.